Hello boys and girls and welcome to day 3 of our Read Write Inc. for this week. Today we're going to be building a sentence, so you'll need your jotter and a nice sharp pencil so you can join in with Miss Brown. Before we get started, can anyone remind Miss Brown what sound it is that we are focusing on today? That's right, Sean. 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 How do we make up this special friend sound? We've got 4 letters. What 4 letters make up this sound? That's right. T, E, O, N. Sean. Just like that. Okay. There we go. Okay, Miss Brown has got a sentence. And after speaking to Corey yesterday, this is what made me think of this sentence. This sentence is, Corey is planning a celebration for her brother's birthday. Can you say that? Corey is planning a celebration for her brother's birthday. Good job. Let's say it slowly this time. Corey is planning a celebration for her brother's birthday. Can you say that? Good job. Let's say it in a whisper voice. Corey is planning a celebration for her brother's birthday. Your turn. Good job. Okay, let's see how many words are in this sentence. Corey is planning a celebration for her brother's birthday. 9 words, 1 sentence. I wonder if we can write that down. Now there are a couple red tricky words in there. Just try your best sounding those out, okay? On you go. Keep saying it over in your head. Corey is planning a celebration for her brother's birthday. Write it down. Okay, boys and girls, can you pause Miss Brown's video just now until you've finished writing your sentence? Because we're going to go and check it just now. Right, our first word in our sentence is Corey. Now, because it's a name, it should always have a capital letter anyway, but because it's at the start of our sentence, we need to give it a capital letter too. So a capital C. Corey. Corey is finger space is planning sound it out. P L A N. Now this is a special friend that we don't know yet, but it's double N. Like that. Corey is planning a celebration. Celebration. How many syllables does the word celebration have? Can you guess? 1, 2, 3, show me your fingers. 4 syllables. Celebration. Let's see if we got it right. Now it sounds like a S, but we know that it's a curly K. But sometimes a curly K sounds like a S. Cell, our first syllable. E, which is R-A. B, R, It sounds like A. We know it's A. And our last syllable, Sean, our sound, T, I, O, N. Corey is planning a celebration for or hair. Red tricky word. Brothers. Brothers. Now this is a red tricky word that some of you might know. O. T. H. A. S. Brothers. Birthday. Birthday. Twiddle the girdle. And T. H. Birthday. A. May I play? A and yeah. And what do we need at the end of our sentence? A full stop. Let's check our sentence. Corey is planning a celebration for her brother's birthday. Give it a tick if you've got your capital letter at the start. Give it a tick if you've got your full stop. And if you've got the word celebration right, give it a tick as well. Remember our 4 sentences. Well done, boys and girls. If you'd like to go on and do more of your Sean words, you can do that and take a picture of your finished work as well. Super work, boys and girls, and I'll see you next week for more Read Write Ink sounds. Bye.